Welcome back. I hope you are doing great. As a part of this video, we'll understand the classification of the big data testing types. At a high level, the big data testing can be classified into functional testing and non-functional testing. In functional testing, we do the testing through different stages like data ingestion testing, data storage testing, data processing testing, and also data visualization testing. So across all the different stages, we perform the big data testing. And on the non-functional testing, there are different types. One is you can perform the infrastructure testing. You can perform the big data application setup testing. We can perform the performance testing to know the performance of the data pipelines. And we can perform the data security testing. We can also perform the failover recovery testing. We'll look at all of them at a high level in the upcoming videos. Thank you.